You love aviation. You breathe airplanes. The roar of a jet engine is music to your ears. Now you can share that passion with the world. Become an aviation influencer. It's 2025, baby. The sky's the limit. People crave authentic voices. They want to experience the world through your eyes. Show them the magic of flight. Share your journey. This is more than just posting pretty pictures. It's about building a community, connecting with people who share your love for aviation. Inspire them, educate them, entertain them. What's your unique selling proposition? What makes you stand out? Find your niche. Are you the drone expert, the vintage aircraft enthusiast, the frequent flyer guru? Your brand is everything. It's your logo, your colors, your voice, your message. Be consistent across all platforms. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, run polls, build relationships, be human, be relatable. Technology is your friend. Embrace it. Use drones to capture breathtaking aerial footage. Take your audience on virtual tours of aircraft using VR. 360-degree cameras? Yes. Time lapses of airport action? Absolutely. Live stream your flights? You bet. Get creative, push boundaries. Augmented reality can bring your content to life. Imagine superimposing aircraft specs onto a real-time video feed. The possibilities are endless. Instagram is your visual playground. Showcase stunning aircraft photography. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your travels. YouTube is your platform for longer-form content. Create vlogs documenting your aviation adventures. Produce educational videos about aviation topics. TikTok is perfect for short, attention-grabbing clips. Think viral challenges, funny skits, and quick tips. Don't underestimate the power of a good soundbite. LinkedIn is where you connect with industry professionals. Share your insights, network with others, and build your credibility. Each platform has its own strengths. Use them all.